friends, welcome to the second match between ACW vs PAKCC. And before knowing the stats of the every player, please go to the Telegram channel and subscribe and type target for grinding and please subscribe my Telegram channel so that I can inform you if there is any change in the lineups, and I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel only. So please subscribe my Telegram channel. And now we will see the playing 11 of the both teams. And ACC playing 11 be T Rezia, Jed Brahmankil and Vizaskar, H Ashafiq, A Parihar, S Subhash, L Kasturi, S Gill, S Jordan, F Mohiddin, P Kanna, and Pakistan CC playing 11 will be A Naheem, A Arif, Jad Arif, S Kawaja, S Haith, S Khan, N Hassan, I Didar, I Ahmad, M Jalmi, and Jed Sardran. These are the playing 11 of the both teams, and the pitch report will be support. The pitch report is the will support the only bowlers only, because while chasing the first while batting the first, the average score is 91. While chasing it will be difficult, so try to take some used bowlers and important bowlers only. And now I will tell you the stats of the each and every player, so please listen carefully. A Arif 70 matches, 739 runs and 4 wickets. He is very attacking player. So try to keep him as a main player. A Naeem also another player. 80 matches, 2518 runs and 43 wickets. I think he can bowl 2 hours also. So if he is there in this match, so please go with him. T Razia is a middle order batsman at 25 matches, 166 runs. So it's your chance. If you want to go with him, you can go with him. J Brahmakil, 22 matches, 186 runs, and he's the average player. So try to avoid him. And coming to the batting side, and Vijay Sekhar, and he's the very important player. He will open the innings and he will bowl 2 overs. His stats are 71 matches, 1201 runs and 67 wickets. He is very good pick. Jad Arif is the another opener for Park CC, and his stats are 69 matches, 863 runs and 16 wickets. You can go with him because he is very important player. Ashraf is the very important all rounder. He will he will open the innings and he will bowl 1 or 2 hours. His stats are 7 matches, 101 runs and 16 wickets. So try to pick top 3 only, because these top 3 players are very important, and so that you can have good points in the leagues also. As Kawaja is the middle order batsman, and his stats are 9 matches, 27 runs, 3 wickets. He is the part-time bowler also. A Parihar, if he is there in this match, you can take him. He is the middle order batsman, and he will bowl 1 or 2 hours, 16 matches, 186 runs and 11 wickets. Coming to the all-rounder side, as Haith will open the bowling, and he will come to bat as the middle order, and his stats are 63 matches, 870 runs and 80 wickets. So try to keep him as a main player only. As Subhash is the key all-rounder for ACW, and his stats are 26 matches, 440 runs, 28 wickets. He will bowl confirmly. Askan, I didn't get his stats. If I get his stats, I will inform in Telegram channel. Al Kasturi is another middle order batsman and key player for ACW, and his stats are 29 matches, 441 runs, 28 wickets. So he is a very good pick. As skill, 29 matches, 187 runs and 2 wickets. Very important. If average player, if he is there in the match, you can go with him. And Hassan is a very important player, and he is the middle order batsman. If he is there in this match, try to go with him. And his stats are 36 matches, 634 runs and 42 wickets. He is very important pick. And coming to the bowling side, in bowling side there are two or three all rounders are there. So try to see try to listen carefully. Jalmi is the key all-rounder, and he will come to the one-down batsman, and he will bowl 2 overs. His stats are 61 matches, 2,393 runs, 88 wickets. Very important player. And Jad Sardan is another important player. 14 matches, 166 runs and 18 wickets. He is the key bowler for Pak CCC. I Didar is another key all-rounder, and he may come to the opening, and he is very attacking player, and his stats are 32 matches, 304 runs and 30 wickets. So top 3 also very important. As I said, in the batting top 3 and bowling top 3 are very important. And as Sardran he have a very good domestic record. His stats are 29 matches to 29 wickets. So try to pick him as an important player only. F Mohiddin is another important player. He will open along with bowling unit along with S Jordan, and his stats are 4 matches, 4 wickets. I Ahmad will open along with the either for bowling only for Pakistan CC, and his stats are four matches, 4 wickets. P Kanna is the another bowler, and he will bowl in the middle overs, and he starts at 12 matches, 8 wickets. And as Parma is also another main player, but I didn't get the stats. If I get the stats, I will inform in my Telegram channel. These are the stats of the each and every player, and I will tell you the and I will show you the stats of the both teams so that you can take a screenshot also. This is the stats of the ACW, so take a look and take a screenshot. And this is the stats of the Park CC also. And I will tell you now, I will tell you the captain and vice captain choices also, so listen carefully. Coming to the captain and vice captain choice, you can go with S8 S Subhash, L Kasturi. And coming to the batting side, N Vizikar H Ashafaq. And coming to the bowling side, M Zalmi, I Didar, S Jadran. As I said, 8 captain and vice captain choices are, so try to go with them. And if you want to, if you need teams, so try to subscribe my Telegram channel so that I will give you the Telegram channel, and I will show you the screenshot of the previous 2 days ECS T10 of the weekend matches. This is the screenshot of the previous matches. And because I want to be honest, and I will send you my screenshots in my Telegram channel also, if it is loss or is profit also. So try to play the grand leagues or head to heads. It's your choice only, and play different fantasy apps like Player Sports and Ballebaji. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. My Telegram channel link will be in my description. Thank you, friends.